And now for our duck, we've got a 5-inch round. This is a pink that I've inflated to just over an inch, trim the nozzle. A 260 orange with about 5 inches left from the tail. It doesn't matter, you're not going to use but about maybe half of this anyway. And then we've got an 11-inch round that I've inflated to about 9 inches. And we're going to kind of soften it up a little bit. And I'll tell folks that, hey, as you know, ducks start from an egg anyway, so there's our egg. We'll come right back to that. Let's grab our 5-inch, push the nozzle up into the middle, twist it around into 2 little bubbles of about the same size. Then I'll take this and I'll put it between my pinky and ring finger on my offhand, my left hand. Then I'll grab our 11-inch round, and you're going to squeeze on the top of it till you pull up a second bubble. About a 2-inch bubble works pretty good for that. We'll take our eyes, wrap them around, spin them once to hold them in place. And then we're going to go to our 11-inch, our orange, excuse me. Make about a 4-inch bubble into a faux twist. Another, same size. Now we're going to make 2 larger faux twists. Probably about a 6-inch bubble. Another one roughly the same size. So that we've got our top and bottom half of our beak. Get rid of the excess. Twist that in a couple of times to secure it. Now we're going to take, back here, our beak, come in from behind the head. This is sort of tricky. Probably easier if you hold the balloon up against your body to stabilize it while you're doing this. But you need to see what I'm doing. Bring your 2 halves of the beak around front, cross them over. Position your 2 cheeks on either side so that your eyes are on top. And we have a nice little duck.